I request Axis AMC to present the NFO corner.
So we have launched this Momentum NFO. Obviously, any NFO requires a reason and reasoning why we're doing this. So largely as in the headline which mentioned, let those in form your portfolio. That is the exact reason why we kind of launching this. The idea behind is that there's always set of stocks, set of interesting ideas which will do well in the market. Even though the market is down 10%, 15%, there are set of stocks which should do well in the market. We thought we'll buy into that opportunities and generate returns out of it. So on a cricketing parlance, this is Dhruv Jurel, right? He was an unknown entity 1 month back. The fact of the matter is that he went to Australia, he played for India A against Australia A. He scored heavy runs out there. And then people started telling, let him be part of the team, right? So that is what Indian team has done today. They have picked up Dhruv Jurel along with 2 other debutants to play. So that is the reason which is a corollary, right? So these are the set of stocks which has done well. Everyone knows the markets are down 10% odd. But the fact is that there are a set of stocks which has done well. So in Momentum as a strategy, we will be playing along with that. We will be looking at the price action for the last 1, 3, 6, 12 months, buy into those ideas. It is not going to be a buy and hold strategy. It is strictly will be buy and sell strategy. So our universe will be Nifty 500 stocks. As I mentioned, we'll be looking at the price action of each stock basis 1, 3, 6, 12 months. We'll filter the stocks basis the liquidity parameters and buy into that. We'll be strictly avoiding IPOs largely because there is no price action in IPOs. So we'll wait for these 6 months IPO prices to come out and then only we'll buy into that stock. Momentum as a strategy, this will be following a flexi cap approach. So there is no cap bias. Momentum, the biggest good thing about Momentum is that it will follow the style according. If large cap is doing well, it will capture large cap. And similarly, if small and mid cap is doing well, accordingly we'll capture the style. This is again basis a monthly rebalancing. So I will not wait for a half yearly or yearly because largely it depends upon the monthly rebalancing on the prices, and I'll buy into this. So these are the additional filters which I look into buying into the stocks. The largest weightage obviously will go to the price of the stocks, but the other factors will also play largely in tune with the liquidity conditions in the market. So this is a critical slide. Reason number 1 why we're very bullish on this is this. Indian investors are quite underinvested into Momentum as a strategy. Globally, it is a big strategy. But in India's case, there is 2 active funds in the market plus a large passive fund. But the fact is that Indian investors are completely underinvested into Momentum as a strategy. Largely, investors are either on the left with quality or on your right with value. But if you could just see, Momentum as on a longer period has delivered somewhere close to a CAGR of 20%, which has clearly outbeaten quality and value as a style. And the beauty is that it has generated one of the highest Sharpe ratio vis-a-vis the other 2 styles. Obviously, investors, while filtering a fund, should always look at what is the Sharpe ratio of any particular scheme. 1, 3 year, 5 year, this is the kind of Sharpe ratio Momentum as a style has generated. And reason number 3 is this, if you could look at a broader market also, the CAGR on a Momentum fund, which I had shown in the first slide, is somewhere close to 20%, even vis-a-vis a Nifty 500 broader index. So this is again a critical fact. This is a comparison between a large multi-mid strategy and what has Momentum delivered on a longer period of time. So these are the NFO days. We are launching it rather today. We have started today. We'll be running until 6th of December. The fund is managed by one person who belongs to our part of the world, Karthik Kumar. Karthik Kumar is looking after our quant fund and arbitrage fund. Quant again is a flexi cap category fund. Numbers are there out. And to summarize, why we bullish on Momentum as a strategy, largely these are the 4 set of reasons. 1, obviously, we feel that Indian investors are underinvested on Momentum as a strategy. Second, we feel on a longer period of time, Momentum has captured somewhere close to 20% CAGR. Third is the fact that it automatically captures the styles. If quality is doing well in the market, Momentum as a style captures it. If value is doing well, it will capture value as a style. Fourth is the fact that it is no cap bias. So if large cap is doing good, the allocations to large cap would be on the highest side. If small and mid cap is doing good, accordingly the style or within a strategy will tune to that particular style. Right? So with that, probably I think my time is done and dusted. So looking forward for full-fledged support across. We are around in case if you want to hear further, more than happy to support on this. Thank you.
Thanks, Mahesh, for your NFO presentation. Now we request Mr. Narayanan, ARN 2155, to give a moment to Mr. Mahesh.